What's up, everybody up in there? Everybody staying warm because we definitely trying to stay warm. As you can tell, the kids are staying active up in here. Everybody's riding scooters. Everybody's going crazy up in here. Look. Somebody look at this. Somebody look at this. Even Rocky up in here is chilling. You know what I'm saying? But guys, I have no words to describe the appreciation, the gratitude for my boy Jeff that sent me this awesome box in here. My boy that has Special Projects Motorsports, Kiwi is what they go by, I guess, but Jeff is the owner, I believe. Sent me this awesome splitter and a lift for the Integra. 100% sponsorship. You know, I don't really like to talk about this stuff, and a lot of people also don't understand. What? I'm doing a video right now. Could you see what I'm doing? You gotta wait a second. Anyways, sorry guys. Along the way, as you can tell, I'm doing the Type R front end on this, and you know, I was debating if I should go with some crazy front end, different kind of bumper. You know, which of course, I love the look of the OEM bumper on the Type R front end, but the factory lip, it just didn't work for me really. The way it kind of like, you know, it just kind of, it goes straight and it goes in. And I was like, what would be another way to make this front end like be nice? Which there's few guys out there like, you know, for example, Fort Banger Production, Kev, it's got the same lip on his car. And I said, you know what? It's not just watching his car, because it's one of those things, guys. When I built the car, I constantly just look at other people's ideas, different builds. You know what I mean? And I get a little bit of everything from everybody. I get a little bit of thing from everybody. And anyways, long story short is, I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and go with this lip. So I hit up my boy Jeff at the Motorsports, and I said, man, what kind of deals you got going on this? And of course I introduced myself, and it's like, I know who you are, by the way. I'm like, I don't even know who this guy is, Jeff, you know what I'm saying, for, you know, for Motorsports. I'm like, well, I was like, well, hey brother, you know, I'm doing this build. It's like, I see what you're doing. And not a lot of people like you out there do this, you know, for the social media, and, you know, just kind of help other people, things like that. And he says, I'm really interested in helping you out with your build. So let me see what we can do to help you out. And I said, all right, man, I'm you know, like, you know, I'm pumped, like, dude, you know, this is some business owner that I don't even know, that I just called up, and, you know, I'm getting an info on the front lip and a splitter. And he said, we'll see what we can do. Well, you know, he got my address to kind of see what I'm at. And today, he showed up. So I'm speechless. Jeff, if you're watching this, I appreciate you, man. And I have a lot to describe my appreciation for the support as well. In other words, he's like, hey, man, you know what? There's people that ask me for free stuff every day. But to see the struggle, what other people actually doing to help others, you know what I mean? And me to help out, I'm more honored to be able to help out with this build. And I'm really pumped on this, you know? So let me go ahead and open this up right here, and I'll show you guys what I got. Noali, come hold this up right here so I can open this box up. By the way, that heater's doing a good job right there. Right here, hold it. Yeah, buddy. You want to help me? Yeah. Go ahead, help me. Don't sit there. Help me. You're going to help me.
What the heck is that? Oh, do you see that, guys? What is that?
You're about to see what this is.
Okay, I'm gonna look in the box. Oh, that's amazing. What?
See that?
Yep. What is this? A car pump?
Yeah, it's a lid.
What the heck is that? Bubble.
Got brackets. Got brackets. See?
Oh, I want to pop the bubbles.
I'll give it to you in a second. Just let me finish. Just record, son. Move back a little bit and record.
Sorry. That good?
Don't worry. I'll give you the bubble.
Oh, hey. Sorry, guys. Kind of being annoying or something. But I hope you still like this video.
There you go. It's gonna be bolted up to the deal.
What?
And it's got a quick release. See that? See that? If you pull this back, you can slide the splitter off. See that? It holds it in place. You see that? That's one. And the other one right here. Look at that. Some nice, really nice brackets. See that? Actually, this is bolt up where the traction bars are, so I'm gonna have to figure a way to modify it. But see, you pull this out right here, and then well, it slides right here. It slides out. It should be sliding out. See that? That's kind of cool.
Hold on.
All right.
Hold on. Here's the camera back.
Here's the lid. It's showing you, you know how it goes.
Here's the camera back.
Special Project Motorsports P1 splitter kit. Excuse me.
Here's the camera back, Dad. So how does this work?
This is gonna go to the bumper. I'll show you.
Bumper. So here's the camera back.
Here's another paper.
Okay, let's see it.
It shows you how to bolt it up. Yeah. The front slide. Yeah. So. Right when I'm doing my video. Seriously right now. Can't believe it. Watching this?
I hope you like this video. It's annoying.
Yeah.
Look, I guess you're gonna have to take those bolts off.
Yeah. The bumper goes right here.
The bumper. The bumper. The bumper. The bumper.
Everybody's like, no, I'm not doing a video.
Okay. Now look, it's not like connected together.
Not yet, but
You might have to glue it.
see, it's gonna be like that.
You might have to glue it.
Huh?
You might have to glue it.
It's gonna go like this.
Ah.
See that?
Mhm.
You're definitely not recording me.
I'm making it watch you too.
You wanna see how this thing works, you know? Alright. much how it goes. Well, I can't really install it right now because, you know, the split is on it. And everything has to be bolted up to the car. But gotta get an idea of, you know, how this is gonna go.
I hope you give it a thumbs up.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for you know, watching this, and shout out to my boy Jeff at the Special Projects Motorsports, and that's another piece of the puzzle. All right.